Hey, good morning guys. It's Brad with Bolo Pickers. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to do some what sold on eBay. I think we have 3 or 4 orders going out, nothing big. And then after that, I'm going to show you how to set up a tiered sale. And we do our sales based on length of time that we've had the item listed. So stick around. Alright guys, so we're going to do the what sold portion of this video real quick. There's only 3 items that sold yesterday, which is a little slower for us, but that does happen sometimes. I will say the last 2 days I haven't had time to list, and I think that probably caused some slower sales. So the first item up is a Wonder Art latch hook kit, which is this right here. And this was new, it's just taped up on the back. And this sold for $13.99 plus the buyer paid shipping. We paid $1 for this at a thrift store. It's a really cool little latch hook if somebody's looking to learn, which is what my guess is. The second item today is in box 13, which is, where the heck is box 13? Oh, down here, duh. This is a Singer model sewing machine foot controller. It's a replacement piece. This I paid about $1 for, and it sold for $15 if I can find it. It's saying it's in box 13. There it is. It's just, of course, all the way at the bottom. Anytime you sell anything, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but it's almost always at the bottom. So it fits in a box. So there's a Singer foot pedal that sold for $15 plus shipping, I believe. Yep, $15 plus shipping. So we'll ship that out. And the last item we sold came from the cash from trash video. I gotta get my words straight today. This was something that I was driving along and I saw this big box of stuff and I went ahead and just grabbed all of it. And this is a Intel PC Camera Pro. It's an open box, sold for $24.99 plus shipping. It's this right here. So definitely made some money off of that. I think this puts us around the $60 mark for the trash, selling it. And I'll try to put the link down in the video, in the comments below or in the description of the video. That way you guys can you can go watch that video as I uncover what we found in the trash. So alright, I am going to ship this stuff out, and then here in a little bit I'm going to show you guys how to do a multi-tier sale on eBay. Alright guys, so here's how to run a multi-tier sale on eBay. I'm going to flip you around, I'm going to show you my screen. The first screen you need to go to is your seller hub. That's where it shows all of your sales and stuff. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit from there and show you guys kind of the screen here. When you scroll down the left hand side here, the spot that you're looking for is the markdown manager. This is going to allow you to go in and run a sale inside of your store. So if you scroll down here, you can see kind of where there's been some sales going on. So active right now, we have the volume pricing set on the whiskey glasses. The last sale we ran, we did save up to 40% on your favorite items. It's a sale plus a markdown. And as you can see, promotional sales, we did $462 from that sale. The last time we did an extra 20% off, just store-wide, whole 20% off, our sales were $653. So these do work. So up here on the left-hand side is a markdown sale. That's what we're going to click on. Then it's going to come up and show us that's, this is what we did, blah, blah, same thing. But what we're going to do is come up here into the corner and create a promotion. And it's going to ask us discount, shipping discount, volume, codeless. We're going to do a sale event plus markdown. So the way that we set this up is that you come in and we're going to choose our discount. So we're going to start it at 10%, right, on the item, the discount. And then we're going to add another one and we're going to take 20% off. Then we're going to add another one, and we're going to take 30% off. And then we're going to add one more, and we're going to take 40% off. So what you have to do is just kind of come in and do that. Once you set this up and you go to select items, it should allow you to sort by your rules and categories. So select items, choose items from inventory. Items can be removed at any time. And then you can create rules, set rules using categories or filters. That should be the one that we want because we want some filters on this. So 10% off category. We're probably just going to run the whole eBay store, which is fine, but I don't see where it's going to give us the option to select. Alright, so let's back up a second. It may be this one that we need to do. Let's double check here. Yep, this is the one we need to do. Sorry about that. I went down the wrong rabbit hole there. So 10% off, we're going to do category, all inventory selected. You could set your price range on this. Basically, depending on if you want one of your big items to fall in this category or not. You can exclude already discounted items. Days on site. This is the filter that's the most important for us right here, because the 10% off is going to be anything that is 31 days to 60 days on eBay, and we're going to filter that out. So we have 107 items that have been up in over a month long, but not more than 2, right? And price range, I really don't want to do anything under $15, and I don't want to do anything over $1,000. So if we have that on there too, it will filter those out. Now it's down to 74. So what we're going to do is confirm our selections, and then it's going to take us to the, oh, I did not grab them. You have to click the button, I forgot, over here. Okay, so let's start it from the beginning. This is for the 10% off category price, $15 to $1,000. Filter, it's going to do that. Then days on site is going to be 31 to 60 days. And we're going to filter that, and it's going to grab the 74. Then you have to click that button. Make sure you click that button or it won't give you, it won't do it. So then you confirm your selections, and it's going to take you save and select for next discount. So then we're going to save it, and we're going to go to the 20% off section. The 20% off is going to be the exact same thing. We're going to do $15 to $1,000. Days on site is going to be 61 to 90, right? And then we're going to confirm, or we're going to filter both of these and make sure we've got 43. Then we're going to grab them. We're going to confirm those selections. So this is for 20% off, which means it's been there for 2 to 3 months. We're going to go to our 30% off. And 30% off, same thing, $15 to $1,000. And then days on site is going to be 91 to 120. So that's your 3 to 4 month range. We're going to filter. We're going to filter again. We got 46 items there. Confirm our selections. And then our next is going to be 40% off, and this is going to be a little bit different because it's going to be $15 to $1,000 just like the before, except for this one is going to be 121 days to 3,000 days. So it's going to pick up everything on there. Let's see how many things we have that are over that. So we have 13 items, which isn't much. That will be 40% off. So then we confirm our selections. And then if you look down here, it will tell you how many items are getting put on sale. So we have over 400 items. It's like 420 items. 74 are going to be 10% off. 43 are going to be 20% off. 46 are going to be 30% off. And it looks like 13 are going to be 40% off. So it's going to put about half of our store on sale. We're going to click Save and Review. Save up to 40%. And I'm just going to set this down a second so I can type on your favorite items, you know, something catchy, and then you can it's telling you to include skipped items when they qualify, keep items on sale and block revision for price increases. We're not going to worry about that. It's going to ask us how long we're going to run this. Today is the 25th of April. We're going to run this for 2 weeks, so we will run it till let's do through May. Actually, let's just do May through 18. May 18 here. and that's fine. We'll end it, instead of ending it in the morning, we'll end it at like, I don't know, 10 p.m. And then sale event description, same thing, up to 40% off on your favorite items. And you can change the pictures around and stuff. There's areas to do that. I'm not going to mess with that. This is what this is going to look like, and then I'm going to go ahead and just click the launch. All right, and now our sales are going to go in, or our items are going to go in. They're going to start being discounted. It usually takes about 10 or 15 minutes, and that's how you do a multi-tier markdown sale using the how long your items have been in inventory. So I hope that helps. If you guys have any questions or comments, please put them below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so we can show you guys lots more stuff of what sold and how to do things. Thanks so much for watching. We will talk to you guys soon.